In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace domain to Google Workspace 2026. Full tutorial, 5 minutes. If you want professional email at your own domain, this walkthrough will connect your Squarespace domain to Google Workspace in a clear, guided way. We'll use the built-in Squarespace integration so the heavy lifting like MX, SPF, and DKIM records is handled for you. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into your Squarespace account and that your domain is managed inside Squarespace. If your domain is hosted elsewhere, the flow may differ because you'd need to update DNS with that provider. Start by signing into your Squarespace dashboard. From the left sidebar, open settings. Inside settings, head to the section labeled domains and email. This is where Squarespace keeps all domain and email tools in one place, so you won't need to jump between tabs or copy DNS records manually. Next, choose Google Workspace. Squarespace will guide you through connecting your domain directly to Google's email services. You'll be prompted to pick a plan and create the primary username for your new mailbox. This is the address people will use to contact you, so choose something clear like hello or your first name. You can add aliases and additional users later inside the Google Workspace admin console. Continue through the on-screen prompts to set up your account. Squarespace will display the domain it's configuring, your billing details, and what's included in the plan. Confirm that the domain shown matches the one you want to use for email. Because the integration is native, Squarespace will automatically add and verify the required DNS records for email delivery and security. That means fewer errors and usually a faster setup. After you complete registration, watch for a message containing a temporary password for your new Google Workspace admin account. For reliability, it's best to have a recovery email that isn't on the domain you're setting up, so you can receive that message even before your new inbox is live. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or wait a few minutes while the settings propagate. Use the temporary password to sign into the Google admin console, then change it to something secure and finish the brief admin checklist. From there, you can add users, create aliases, and turn on two-step verification for extra security. Finally, send a test email to and from your new address to confirm everything is working. That's it, your Squarespace domain is now connected to Google Workspace.